And let's bring in Terri Austin, a host and legal analyst at the Law and Crime Network, for more on this. Terri, good morning. What exactly would this plea deal have done, and why is Arbery's family so opposed to it?
Well, first of all, good morning and welcome back, Diane.
Thank you.
This plea deal, I think, was rejected by Judge Wood because partly the family did argue against it. And it is unusual for a judge to reject this type of plea because you have the defendants and you have the prosecution all saying this is fair and this will save time, it will save money. And frankly, 30 years in federal prison is a sentence that is something someone would view as just and fair. But I think the judge really looked at this as it was a heinous crime. It was a hate crime. She did listen to what Wanda Cooper Jones said, and at the end of the day, she just did not think 30 years in federal prison was enough.
So what does this mean now for how this case moves forward?
So they still have an opportunity to say that they are pleading either guilty or not guilty, and that the judge said they need to do by Friday. So they could go to trial, and if they go to trial, it is a big risk for both sides, frankly. And one of the good things about a plea deal, if the judge had accepted it, is that the verdict cannot be appealed. So if they go to trial, they could win or lose, and that verdict could be appealed. So the next thing we'll see is whether or not they're going to plead guilty, and then we'll see what happens.
And meanwhile, jury selection is now underway in the trial stemming from the police raid that killed Breonna Taylor. But the trial isn't actually focused on Breonna Taylor's death. So can you walk us through what this trial is all about?
Well, Brent Hankinson, he is the police officer who is being tried here. And it's not for shooting and killing Breonna Taylor. It's for having shot into the neighbor's home, and the fact that it was basically reckless for him to do so. And it's 3 counts of wanton endangerment of others. And so he's going to trial. It seems like the other 2 officers and Hankinson will also be witnesses at the trial.
All right, Terri Austin, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.